Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Apple TV box keeps buffering, slow streaming and internet speed fix. To fix an Apple TV box that keeps buffering, you must power cycle your network hardware, optimize your video output configurations, and switch to a less congested wireless band. Constant stuttering and slow streaming speeds on an Apple TV are rarely caused by a broken device. Instead, they are usually triggered by local network interference, outdated application data caches, or domain name system DNS routing lag. Fix 1. Perform a hard power cycle. Disconnect the power cords from your modem, wireless router, and Apple TV box. Then let the devices drain completely to reset their hardware caches. Now plug the modem back in first. Wait for the online indicator lights to stabilize. Connect your router and then power on the Apple TV. Fix 2. Optimize app data and TV OS. First, force quit apps. Double-click the TV/home button on your Siri remote. Swipe left or right to find your streaming apps and swipe up on each preview card to close them. Reinstall misbehaving apps. If buffering occurs only on one platform, like Netflix or Prime Video, highlight the app icon, press and hold the clickpad center, then select Delete App. And after that, re-download it from the App Store to clear corrupt local storage caches. Next, update the firmware. Go to Settings, then go to System, in it go to Software Updates, and select Update Software to eliminate known TV OS bugs that impact network optimization. Fix 3. Correct your video display settings. Streaming high dynamic range HDR or Dolby Vision interfaces 100% of the time causes your Apple TV to continuously buffer high bandwidth data in the background, even when navigating menus. First, change video format. Navigate to Settings, then go to Video and Audio and tap on Format. And change the default output to 4K HDR or 1080p HDR if your broadband plan is under 25 Mbps. Next, match original content. Scroll down inside the video and audio menu, open match content and toggle both match dynamic range and match frame rate to on. Why this works? Your Apple TV will run its interface in a lightweight data mode but automatically switches back to full HDR or 4K quality the exact moment you play a movie. Fix 4. Maximize internet and Wi-Fi speeds. Run a local speed check. Download the Ookla Speed Test app directly onto your Apple TV from the App Store to verify exactly how much bandwidth the box is receiving. Next, switch to 5 GHz. Ensure your Apple TV is manually connected to your router's 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency band rather than the slower, crowded 2.4 GHz band. Next is to clear physical obstructions, if any. Move your Apple TV box completely out of enclosed metal entertainment cabinets and away from your television chassis to stop wireless signal shielding in electronic interface. Next is to use a high quality wire. If wireless environments remain unstable, plug an Ethernet cable directly from the router to the Apple TV to bypass wireless drops entirely. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.